Hey everyone, I'm Bradley with Flooring Inc., back to explore another flooring innovation in tile. Today, we're talking about Backsplash tile. When you think about it, Backsplash tile has a lot of responsibility in your kitchen and bathroom. It protects your walls from moisture, and it plays a big part in the look of your room. So it needs to be tough and durable, but stylish too. You know what else would be great? If it was actually easy to install. A typical backsplash requires a lot of time and painstaking effort to install. Here's the good news. Tile manufacturers have come up with a DIY-friendly peel and stick backsplash tile. Installation is as simple as peeling off the backing and sticking the tile to the wall. Seems too good to be true? I assure you it's not. Here's why. All backsplash mosaics come in pre-assembled sheets, and peel and stick tiles are no different. You notice the real difference when you take a look at the backing. A peel and stick sheet is coated with a strong adhesive and protected with a layer of plastic. In a way, these tiles are like big, heavy-duty stickers. Many peel and stick mosaics are made from real stone, like limestone and marble. No one will ever guess how easy it was to install your luxury backsplash. Speaking of installation, if you want a DIY-friendly backsplash of your own, just follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Partially peel the backing from the first mosaic sheet and position it on the wall. Step 2. Once the sheet is properly aligned, remove the rest of the backing and firmly press it onto the wall. Step 3. Keep applying the tile sheets until the whole backsplash area is covered. And finally, step 4. Just seal up the edges with caulk and you're good to go. No doubt about it, peel and stick tile sounds amazing, but I still got a few questions about how it works. I'm going to speak with Patrick Warren from Daltile to get some answers. Patrick is the Vice President of Dealer Sales and Showrooms at Daltile. He has more than 20 years experience in the flooring industry, with specialties in ceramic tile, natural stone for floors and walls, and a whole lot more. Hello, Bradley here with Ink Stores, and today we're going to be talking about mosaic tile backsplashes. And we have Patrick from Daltile. Patrick, how you doing? Welcome on back.
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me back. It's good to see you again.
Perfect. We'll dive right in. I guess the first question I can start is just kind of from the beginning. Like, how did the peel and stick backsplash tiles develop?
You know, it's interesting. It's similar to what we talked about last session with Revo Tile. It was about the technology. It's about bringing our customers, we need to talk about who those are, but bringing our customers a solution. And the labor-restricted business right now that we're in, where it's just hard to find technical installers for product, lends itself to let's have product that people can do themselves, but not look like do-it-yourself product.
So how much weight can the pre-applied adhesive hold? Is there any way to strengthen the bond between those two?
I guess, you know, it's interesting. I was talking to our technical people and asked them the same question. You know what they told me? Enough. I'm like, enough? That's your answer? But the reality is it's designed, it's very strong. It's not going to fall down. It's designed just for a wall, and it holds it on there. We've tested it over and over, and it's really superior. Fantastic.
And if people are still kind of uncertain about the peel and stick backsplash tile, is there any other DIY friendly alternatives that people could save some time and effort during installation?
You know, that's a great question. We actually have a product called Minute Mosaics. It's similar to what we're doing with Simply Stick Mosaic, except this is a traditional tile, but it's actually built in a way that doesn't need grout. So you would do your traditional thin set on the back, your mortar, put your tile up, trim your edges, and you're done. It kind of covers the best of both worlds.
All right, Patrick, thank you so much for spending the time here. We'll talk a little bit about the mosaic tiles. Is there anything else that you wanted to add?
No, we appreciate the opportunity. You know, at Daltile, we build everything on what we can bring you as a solution, as well as all the style and different products we offer.
Perfect. We'll get them out there for you. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button to catch the next episode of the Flooring Innovation Series. Or check out our website at flooringinc.com.